support our culture thrives where every city can be a green city, and where every community has access to fresh, nutritious produce. In closing, I want to congratulate all the participants and viewers.
Kala ko na doon. Kala ko, supervisor. Ang init doon. Hindi maganda dito sa gabi. Maganda yun natin yung mga logo.
And in fact, thank you for your hard work, your dedication, and your unwavering commitment.
Parang nakalinti ko sa pagkala, napakalaki ah.
Greener future. Let us move forward with renewed vigor, inspired by your achievements, and committed to expanding the horizon of urban and peri-urban agriculture. Thank you and congratulations once again. I hope. Thank you all.
Wow, thank you very much po. Mr.
Nakita mo yung babae. Musuhan ah.
Wonderful message to our undersecretary of the world. Now at this point, to represent the Honorable Mayor Joy Belmonte, may I call on the Executive Officer of the Joy of Urban Farming, Ms. Cristina Perez, for her message of support. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone.
So sa Roses, nakalimutan mo.
National Government, Economic at sa lahat po ng mga sumali sa pagpapalat nito, isa po
Dino ba yung ball?
ang hapon sa inyo lahat. Okay. So, good afternoon again.
Garby.
Thank you for having me today to witness a celebration of ceremony for the 2024 Best Urban